Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JBL headphones and I'm going to tell you how to pair them with your MacBook. So, at first we have to click on this Bluetooth icon over here and now Bluetooth settings. Now we have to open our case lid and take both earbuds out of it. Now we have to either left or right get into our hands and power them by unmagnetizing these magnets. Now we have to touch and hold our touch and hold for 5 seconds. It will make our headphones enter into prank mode, both of them. It doesn't really matter if this button is turned on. Now we have to wait a moment. If it didn't work, we have to do this again. 1, 2, as you can see it worked. We have to click connect here in our devices. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.